How to fix custom thumbnail problem with verified account on YouTube. What's up guys, my name is Abu. Today I am going to show you on how to fix custom thumbnail problem with verified account on YouTube. Now some of you guys may have encountered the same problem like what you are seeing now on your screen. You can't get to upload a custom thumbnail even though it says that your YouTube account has already been verified. But don't worry, cause I have a solution that may fix that problem. Before we start, if you are new to this channel, we recommend that you check out and like our other videos, and while you're at it, do subscribe as well to keep you updated with our latest content and informative videos in YouTube. Okay, if you want your custom thumbnail to appear on your video, first thing you got to do is to log into your account and then click on the create icon. This icon looks like a camera with a plus sign. Then once you have clicked it, you'll see the upload video. Click it and you'll see this on your screen. Instead of drag and dropping your video files to upload, you have to click upload with classic instead. Click go to legacy uploader. And you'll see this on your screen. Click to check the something is broken on the new uploader box. And then type in cannot get to upload a custom thumbnail with verified account. And click submit. Now click the select files to upload. Choose your video file and click open. While your video is uploading, you can click on the custom thumbnail box and choose your custom thumbnail. And there you go. We would like to hear from you and let us know if this works for you or you got a better solution to fix this issue. Just comment down below and don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.